First, cross the laces and pull them tight. Now, make a loop. That's your first bunny ear.
Okay, pull the laces tight so they make a straight line. First, cross the laces over each other to make an X. Then, pull them tight through the bottom. You did it! Now push the second lace through to make the other loop. Great job! Now you have two.
Just like the smiling bunny, you made 2 perfect ears. Now pull them tight.
Time to pull the bunny ears. Now give them a good tug. Look, you did it!
Now pull the loops tight until they're even. Great job, you got it.
Look! I finally tied my shoes all by myself.